Right then, welcome back to this channel, welcome to the video. Quick one today, just had a phone call because my brother's moving his Skyline. Was getting it out for the summer. Got it started, put some fuel in there out of a can. Turns out that it's probably diesel, car's petrol, so the car cut out, and we're going to try and get it started. Clear the diesel out of there, clean the plugs, get it started. So we'll do a little video on that. So here is the said Skyline behind me. Supposed to be meeting my brother and my dad with the keys and some tools, but they're still out and about getting keys and tools. I haven't got any tools in my car, so I'm about to go to the unit and get some tools. But yeah. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to try and suck the fuel out of the tank. Being a 90s car, hopefully it hasn't got any anti-siphon things on it. We can just use one of them electric suckers to suck out as much of the diesel as possible. Then we're going to put tons and tons of petrol in it. We're going to pull the spark plugs out. We're going to clean the spark plugs, sand them down, clean them with some clutch cleaner or something like that. Right, strut brace off, 2 14mm. We can retreat this rust later. We've took 2 out, 1 there and 1 there to get this box out of the way here. We've took this Jubilee clip off there. We'll undo this one off here, either with a flathead or probably a 10mm flathead. And then we're trying to suck the petrol out from the other side, as you can hear. We'll see how that goes. And we should be able to lift this box and remove it. We're going to have to get this one off as well, yeah. All the spark plugs have been out and we've got all the muck off we can. We've soaked them in some cleaner. So yeah, bring it here please. That's my mum, she's going shopping. So that's all clean. What we're going to do is we're going to look at taking this hose off from the fuel filter, and then we can just, because we can't get into the tank, we can pump all the fuel through with the fuel pump when we turn it on into a pot, and that will get rid of all the fuel. It's just a bit tight to get on, so we'll put the spark plugs back on, then we'll do that, and then we'll put it back together and look at starting. We've got all them in place. We've got the local crackheads beer mug
and chuck pot. And 1, 2, 3, 4 colours.
And what we're going to do is we're going to turn this over. We are going to turn it over. We're just going to turn the ignition on, which should hopefully fire the fuel pump up. We might have to do it on and off a few times because it'll probably only prime. Put it in for your peace of mind. Dad, you control the black pipe. Just on to number 1 or 2.
Oh yes.
Off. Go on again. Anything?
Nothing happening.
Turn it off and on again.
That was short-lived already.
Yeah, it was doing really well to that point.
We can keep doing that.
He's got to turn it off and on again so the pump primes. So as you can see, we're getting this out of this head of here now, bit at a time. How much did you put in? 5 litres?
5 litres that we put in, but I don't know what juice was it. It was on empty.
Yeah. Well, we'll just keep going. Say we'll do 10 of these cups
again.
So we're continuing to get this out until it's empty. Recap on the head. There you go. Look, it's from the other day. We're continuing to get this out until it's empty, and then we will put new fuel in and we will continue to turn it over to reprime it.
We want to roll now.
And hopefully it'll run. Right, so it's all back together, bar the brace. We'll prime it a couple of times, make sure we ain't got no fuel leaks. Wait, there is no fuel when there's 15 litres in there. Give it a turn over, then it'll have to turn over a few times before it goes, I reckon. Here we go. Get more. throttle. Bit of throttle. There we go. Like a dream. Super smooth. Little bit of smoke from the nasty fuel at the back, and now it's nice and clean. It's fine. So that's how you clean out your Skyline when you put shitty fuel in. Please like and subscribe for more videos. See you later. What's that noise?
Probably handbrake sticking on it.
The handbrake's sticking, yeah. This is the first drive in the Skyline for what, six months. Sounds
The
good.
brakes. Yeah.
The brake's not as good as the Astra.
No, them better.
Oh no.
Them's really sharp.
Well, all seems to be well after our cleaning of the sparks and replacing of the petrol. Sounds good, revs well, drives well.
Smashed up the back end well.
So please like and subscribe for more videos on cars.
I forgot how loud it was.
Say like and subscribe.
Yes, like and subscribe.
Hey? I won't worry about it, it's smashed a bit.